Creating a healthy pizza recipe without using any white flour can indeed be an exciting culinary adventure. Let's start with gathering the ingredients. 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of olive oil, and 50 grams of oats flour. Begin by mixing the milk, yeast, and olive oil together, then gradually add the oats flour. Stir and knead the mixture until it transforms into a soft, pliable dough. Once your dough is ready, spread it out on a baking tray. Next, add a layer of tomato sauce, followed by 150 grams of diced chicken breast for a hearty protein boost. Top it off with colorful bell peppers and olives for added nutrition and flavor. Finally, sprinkle 100 grams of light mozzarella cheese over the top. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When done, slice it into 4 pieces and enjoy each guilt-free slice, which contains only 125 calories. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative and healthy recipes.